Hello to you! In the next 5 minutes, you'll discover what application integration is, how it works, why it's critical for modern businesses, and when it could make a difference in a company. What is application integration? Application integration connects your software tools so they can work together automatically. That means data can move between apps in real time. No manual entry, no messy exports, no double handling. The problem? Most companies are using dozens or even hundreds of apps, each with its own data formats, rules, interfaces. Without integration, those systems stay isolated, and this creates duplicate data, inconsistent customer experiences, wasted effort. Application integration makes sure updates happen everywhere they need to, automatically, reliably, and in sync. How does application integration work? Now, you might think APIs are the key to integration, and yes, they're important. But here's the truth. APIs are just the door, they're not the solution. APIs let systems talk to each other, but they don't manage how, when, or why data flows. They don't translate field names, they don't trigger actions, they don't monitor what went wrong. They're just a standard interface, and every app implements them differently. That's why you need more than APIs. You need an integration platform to handle the actual work. Orchestrating when integrations run, usually via events or schedules. Mapping and transforming data between different structures. Handling errors, retries, and security. Logging everything for observability and compliance. And of course, there's event-driven logic. So updates happen when something changes. A ticket is updated, an order is placed, or a record is created. Without this platform layer, integrations are fragile, error-prone, and expensive to maintain. When do you need integration? Here are 4 signs it's time to invest in integration. Manual copy-paste is killing productivity. If your team is re-entering data between systems, that's wasted time and increased risk. Customer data is fragmented. If sales, support, and finance each see a different version of a customer, that's a red flag. You're scaling fast. Manual processes don't work when you go from 100 to 1,000 customers. You need automation that keeps up with your growth. You need real-time decisions. Outdated or inconsistent data leads to poor choices. Integration keeps your information fresh and aligned. Why is integration important? The average company now uses more than 100 cloud apps, and that number's growing fast. This is partly because teams can buy their tools without going through IT. It boosts productivity, but it also creates chaos if the systems don't talk to each other. Some businesses try to control it, others allow it. But either way, the need for integration grows with every new app. The more tools you use, the more connected they need to be. Integration stops being a technical nice-to-have. It becomes a business-critical enabler. What are some common integration challenges? Here's the reality check. Having an API isn't enough. You still have to understand the data model, build the event logic, map and transform the payloads, handle retries, errors, and authentication, monitor everything for issues. And none of that comes out of the box with APIs. Even with iPaaS tools, you'll still need deep, technical knowledge, integration best practices, ongoing support to maintain everything. On top of that, good integration engineers are hard to find. Traditional integrations cost 6 figures a year. Projects take weeks or months, and often break the moment something changes. The new way: Integration Ops as a Service. This is where Integration Ops as a Service comes in. Instead of building and maintaining integrations yourself, OneIO delivers them as a fully managed service, complete with lifecycle ownership, observability, scalability. No scripts, no maintenance, no guesswork. With OneIO, you get ready-made templates and mappings, expert-managed onboarding, automated incident handling, 80% faster deployment, 50% plus cost savings, 90% less integration workload for your IT team. That means integrations go live in days, not quarters. Most teams ask, does the app have an API? But smart teams ask, how are we actually going to use that API? At scale, securely, and without burning out our team. That's where Integration Ops wins. OneIO turns integration into a repeatable capability, not a one-off headache. Faster customer onboarding, less manual work, total control and visibility, tech that scales with your business. Download our free and detailed guide about IntOps to start managing the lifecycle of integrations efficiently and at scale. You can find the link in the description. Did you like this video? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more ITSM and Integration Ops content.